Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to sign up for TonKeeper account. Let's get started. Start by opening TonKeeper on your device. Tap on Create New Wallet to create an account. Enter a strong 4-digit passcode for your account. Re-enter the passcode again. Make sure to note the code down somewhere as you might need it later. Now tap on Enable Notification. Tap on Allow. Enter a name for your wallet. Tap on Done. And that is how to sign up for TonKeeper account. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.